Hi, today we will answer this question. To find your literatures, first you have to structure the question. To structure your question you can watch previous video. Then you have to identify concepts. What are the main points that are found in your question? Now you need to list specific terms for each concept. Finally you need to use Boolean. Let's now give an example. My question: is vitamin B12 helpful in treating the angina? In previous question we have three concepts: vitamin B12, angina and treatment. What are other terms that you can use for vitamin B12? Yes, I used cobalamin and vitamin B12. What about angina? I used angina and heart ischemia. For treatment, I used treatment, therapy, and management. Now let's talk about Boolean. Let's begin with N. If I want to find vitamin B12 and angina in literature I need to use N. So N Boolean combine concepts, combine or grouping. Now let's talk about OR. If we use OR with vitamin B12 and angina, only one, not both, of the terms are in the results. Use OR to group terms of the same concept. What if you want vitamin B12 but not angina? Simply you can use not. To exclude any results that contain concept which you are not interested in, you can use not. Usually put not at the end and you can contain an OR grouping if the concept is expressed by many other terms. Use OR with each concept terms. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin, angina or heart ischemia. Treatment or therapy or management. Now, use N between each of the OR statements. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin, N, angina or heart ischemia, N, treatment or therapy or management. Now we will talk about field tag. When a field tag is assigned to a term in the search query box, it instructs PubMed to search only in the field specified. With a field tag search, search terms should be accompanied with the appropriate search field tag and must be enclosed in square brackets. Examples of available field tags: author, title, abstract, date of publication, journal name, and language. For example, if you were looking for articles on vitamin B12 effects on angina that have been published in year 2019, and was published by an author named Gallon, the search strategy would look something like this. 1. Type in the terms vitamin B12 and angina in the search box. 2. Type in author name Gallon. 3. Now run the search in PubMed with the logical operator and 4. Click the Go button. We found 5 articles. 5. If you want to add publish year you can also type in the year and assign the tag that denotes date of publishing DP at the end of that term. Refer to the PubMed website for a complete list of available field tags. Now let's talk about the two main types of literature you can find in PubMed: research article and review article. With research article, author give brief background information on prior research that motivated his study. They are primary article. Meanwhile, in review article, author summarize the existing research. They are secondary article. In research article, author tell their method and their results. However, in review you will not find method nor result. Both research article and review article are peer-reviewed, read by others in similar research areas to check the accuracy. Both can be published in same journal. Let's talk now about the structure of research article in more details. First, introduction. In this section, author explain why they conduct their study. They talk about the context of the study, how does it fit in with other research on topic, and what is the research question. Second section is methods. Author tell how he conduct his study. What did the author do to answer the research question. Third section is the results. What was the result of the experiment? What was the answer to the question? This is often shown in tables and figures. Fourth section, author tell what is the significance of the study and how does it fit in with what else is known about the topic. Finally, The material the author cited when writing the paper are added as reference. It is time now to recap. What did we talk about in this video? Strategy to find your literatures. Differences between research article and review.